Today, we'll learn how to use the Streamlit Sidebar. We'll create a navigation panel and build a simple multi-section application. Let's start. First, import the Streamlit library. Import Streamlit as st. Now let's create our first sidebar. You'll see a sidebar on the left side of your app. This is where we can place menus, settings, filters, and navigation options. Now add header. Now the sidebar looks more organized. You can use titles and headers to separate different sections. Let's allow users to choose a page. Now change the selected option. Notice that the output changes automatically. Now, let's create a radio button. Now, try selecting different themes. Now add a checkbox. Check and uncheck the box. Notice how the message appears and disappears. Now, let's add a button. Click the button, the balloons animation appears. This makes your application more interactive. Now, let's combine everything we've learned. Now use the sidebar. Every option opens a different page. Congratulations! You've built a simple navigation app.